Want to know how to discover AI Studio chats and chat with AI in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to discover and show you some new features that Messenger has, where you can just simply chat with various AI stuffs that people have created through the community. So simply open up your Messenger application right here, and on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu. So right here, this three hamburger icon menu, just simply select it, and once you have selected that, here you should be seeing various options. So right here, you should be seeing more, and right below more you should be seeing AI Studio chats. Just simply select it. So once I select AI Studio chats, here you should be seeing various options where you can chat from Juice WRLD, Goku, and much more as you scroll down. So you can just simply select any one of these and start chatting right here. You can simply see quick chats as well. So that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily chat in AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.